I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to calibrate your Elite Suito Smart Trainer. Proper calibration is crucial for accurate power measurement, ensuring your training data is precise. We will focus on using the Elite My eTraining application, which is the recommended method for the most reliable results. It's a good practice to calibrate your trainer regularly, ideally about 2 times each month, to maintain optimal performance. Before starting the calibration, it's important to prepare your Elite Suito. First, warm up the trainer by riding for at least 10 minutes, maintaining a power output between 100 and 150 watts. Next, ensure you have a strong and stable Bluetooth connection between your trainer and the device running the My eTraining app. To prevent any issues, turn off other nearby Bluetooth devices that could cause interference. Now, let's execute the spin-down calibration. Open the Elite My eTraining app and select the calibration option for your Suito. The app will guide you through the process. You'll be asked to pedal and reach a specific target speed, often around 20 kilometers per hour. Once you hit this speed, stop pedaling immediately and allow the trainer's flywheel to naturally spin down to a complete stop. The app will then record the necessary data. After the spin down is complete, the My eTraining app will display a calibration value. While these values can vary, they often fall within a range of approximately 9,000 to 15,000. This number reflects the trainer's internal friction. Remember to recalibrate your Elite Suito not only every couple of weeks, but also if you move the trainer or experience significant changes in room temperature, ensuring continued accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.